I believe this is a game called mircostick. So I guess there was a stick man in a microwave. Power control, it's off. What happens if we press 1? He starts laughing at me. What happens on 2? Oh wow, he starts wiggling. Okay.
I can't believe that.
Level 3, he just starts running around. And what's up with this power button? It seems like there's blood on it or something. Level 4, he turns fat. Okay. He's just like, what is he doing? Level 5. Oh, jeez.
Well, that's not a very nice word. Fat.
He just. Well, okay.
Did you see that?
Level 6. Oh my gosh. This is very. Wow. Okay. He exploded and now he's a skeleton. Level 7. He melts. He's melting. And he's bubbling. Level 8. What's that? They're like a black hole. Did I create a black hole in my microwave? What the frick is he? Oh my. He's breaking out. He's breaking out. Why is he just punching it? Oh gosh. What are you doing? Oh. He just killed me. Okay. Is there a way to prevent that? So, level 1, laughing. Yeah.
He's being burnt in an oven. Why is he laughing?
It's a microwave.
No. Why is he being burnt? Why is he laughing? Why?
Well, keep on pressing this.
Apparently it's a go.
I win.
It's called
well, that's how you win, I guess.
Oh my gosh.
So this was very short here. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, I don't know why I paused it. Is there anything else you can do? What's this dial for? What's the other button? Can you turn it down? I'm confused. Can you actually do something else, or is that the whole game? Just these cycles over and over again. Very bloody, okay. Black hole looking thing. Turns into monster. I win. So I guess that's it. Bye.